Hello everyone. This is the answer key for the June 2024 commerce. The question paper was very easy and I hope this time many would have been clearing net as well as JRF. So we'll see the answer for each and every question. So answer which we providing here now, most of the question, 95% it was correct answers and remaining 5% maybe go wrong or it might be the tentative answers which we are providing now. Once the answer key got released, if we got the correct answers for everything, the revised answers will be posted in our channel. So let's watch the answer for each and every question. If EBIT is equal to 1120, PBT is equal to 320, fixed cost is 700, what is the value of degree of operating leverage? For operating leverage, the form answer is contribution divided by EBIT. Here, for the contribution, you're supposed to take EBIT plus fixed cost. EBIT plus fixed cost, the whole divided by EBIT. If you go accordingly, the answer would be 1.625. The next question, arrange the steps. For this, the answer is BADCE. That is the option available. That is the sequential order. First, you have to screen the application, next test, and next interview, there's physical examination, and then only approval. The next question, the answer would be option 3. And which insurance should be insurable interest be present at the time when the policy is taken is only marine insurance. And 55th question, the answer is ACDE. 56th, theory of absolute advantage. It is given by Adam Smith. It's a very easy and the direct question which we studied very early. In which year GATT has been introduced is October 1947. And this is also the very easy match. Interest on accrued investment is current assets other than current assets. Under the heading other than current assets. So A is 4. Bank overdraft is a current liability. Trademark is an intangible asset. So you can write as property, plant and equipment. Stores and spares is a current asset under inventory. So option is 4. And this is accounting standards. In the AS1 is preparation of financial statement. AS2 is inventories. AS16 is property, plant and equipment. AS18 is revenue. So answer is option 2. Under 44AB, tax audit is compulsory for the business who cross 50 lakhs of turnover. Option 3. And this, for this match, the option is option 2. For every, this is the match. Income effect and other things. This is under economics. And performance appraisal too often degenerates into dishonest annual rituals. This is given by Armstrong and Mullis. Which is not included in demand and quantity demanded is expenses of the consumer, which is not included. So we have to answer expenses of the consumer. Finance lease, as we all know, the lessor transfer all the risk and rewards. Option A is 1. Operating lease, do not transfer. Sale and lease back is sell an asset. Direct lease is that lease under which the lessor owns and acquires. So option 1. Theory of scarcity, consumption, macroeconomics, aggregate demand. Here, for this question number 65, the option is 3. Which of the following is a probability sampling? Obviously, simple random, clustered and stratified. So A, B, D, option 3. In financial enterprise, dividend are showing which one of the following activities under cash flow. Dividend paid in the sense activities. If it was dividend received, it must be in the investing activities. So answer 68, working capital. This is the sum. Working capital of the company is given as 6 lakh. Current asset is given as, current ratio is given as 2.5:1. Liquid ratio is 1.5:1. What is the value of the inventory? The answer is 6 lakh. Which one of the following is the rate of TDS on the contract of the recipient is an individual? For individual and HUF, it is 1%. Other than individual and HUF, it is 2%. For this question, answer is option 1. 70th question. IFCI came in the year 1948. IDBI 1964, ICICI 1955, ICICI and State Bank are of same year. IIFCL is in the year of 2006. So 70th question, the option is 1. If the partnership for a particular period, that is for a particular period means that a specified period means, then it is particular partnership. Answer is option 3. For 72nd question, which of the following are the principles of GAAP? So answer is A, B, C, D. Trade without discrimination, protection only through tariff, C, stable trade, and D, consultation. So option 2. 73, an organization that carries out activities not in one central place. So network organization, they are going to have alliance or larger supply chain, then it is network organization. Which of the following are shown in investing activities? Investing activities all includes purchase of land or purchase of any assets, any investment activity. So in this given option, cash proceed from sale of fixed asset. You have sold the inventory. So you sell the inventory and you got some money into the cash inflow. So cash proceeds from sale of fixed asset. And debentures purchase. Debentures purchase. That means we purchase debentures from the other company. So it is an investment. C. And purchase of patent. Patent is an asset, intangible asset. So ACE is the option. The system where two or more banking companies are controlled by one or two individuals, it is called as chain banking. Arrange the 5-variable interrelation model of expectancy theory of motivation. Here, the option is A, B, C, D, E. But none of the option carry this answer. So people can go for challenge. The question is challenge panala. So here, this question option answer, correct answer is A, B, C, D, E. But in the option, you can challenge this question. Which of the following is substantive document used in foreign trade? So substantive document அப்படின்னும்போது certificate of origin, the minimum capital prescribed by the RBI for these and all very direct question. RBI prescribe பண்ண capital small finance banking பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it is 200 crores. Which of the following comes under significant meaning of foreign exchange? A, B, C. Whereas option D does not talks about the meaning of it. So A, B, C is the answer. Which is not the distinctive characteristic of services. Characteristic of services, we can say tangible, inseparable, perishability. Tangibility in the sense it is not tangible. Inseparability, we cannot separate from the service provider. Perishability, services are very perishable. If you miss everything, miss the class or whatever, miss the doctor appointment, it is perishable in nature. So variability is not the characteristics of any services. Arrange the financial institution according to the year of establishment. So Imperial Bank. Imperial Bank is the first came. Next, Imperial Bank was termed as State Bank. Second, AB. Next is Life Insurance Corporation. Next is Unit Trust of India. Next is RRB. So Imperial Bank turned as State Bank of India in the year 1955. Life Insurance Corporation 1956. So obviously the answer is all altered. You can go option testing method and could have done the answer. And next is what is the value of equity? This is CAPM. This is CAPM question. Whereas you have the formula. These are very direct question. The formula for this is RF plus beta factor into risk premium. This is given directly. So here 6% plus 1.54 is the beta risk factor and 9% is the risk premium. So 6% plus 9 into this is 13.86. 9 into 1.54. The answer is 19.86%. Option 1. Arrange the following step in the quantitative research in the prosperous sequence. The answer is option 4, BACED. Identifying the research topic, reviewing the literature, review of literature, setting the purpose, setting the objectives. It means next is data collection. After data collection, you will do the data analysis. So E option is together and you will write the report on it. So option 4 is the answer. The channels or levels of distribution. The channels are direct channel, that is 0 level channel, single level channel and reverse flow channel. Only A, B, D is the option. Exclusive and selective distributions are the type of distribution they are doing. That is not the channel. Assumption of law of diminishing marginal utility includes A, B, C. Rationality, suitable units and cardinal utility. Which of the following is correct about free consent? Any and which is not caused by. It is not caused by coercion, undue influence, fraud and misrepresentation. Don't include bailment. Option 3. 87. Responsiveness, determinants of service quality and its meaning. The answer is option 1. A is 4. Responsiveness, the willing to help the customers and provide prompt services. Assurance is 3. You are building the trust and the confidence. Empathy in the sense standing in their position and giving the advice they required. So providing of caring individualist attention to the customer. Tangibles, what are the facilities being available to them? Sugam, it is very direct question, ITR 4. This is the repeated question in most of the UGC NET exams. Under which section, Goods and Service Act, the provision for input tax credit starts from 16 to 21. Option 2. Which of the following is the methods of calculating purchase consideration? A, B, C, E. Swap rate method in the sense exchange method is denoted as swap rate method. So option A 4, A, B, C, E. Agricultural income, section 10, subsection 1. Amount received on voluntary retirement is section 10, subsection C, 10C only. It is not CC. Rent allowance is 10, 13A. Provident fund is 10, subsection 11. So answer is option 1, A4, D3, C1, D2. Which of the securities premium cannot be utilized? Dividend distribution because securities premium utilize panna mudiyadhu. So option 3. Contingent contract is section 31. Bailment section 148. So you can go accordingly. So contingent contract section 31. Bailment section 148. Fraud section 17. Coercion section 15. Option is 1. A1, B4, 3, C3 and D2. Non-collusive oligopoly model includes what all? A, C, D. Cornet model, price leadership model and Bertrand model. A, C, D. Cornet, Edgeworth and Bertrand. A, C, D. Option 3. Which of the following exemption or deduction which not be available if assessee offer tax? அதாவது நியூ ரெஜிம் படி போயிட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா எந்த எக்ஸம்ஷன்ஸ்லாம் கிடையாது. நியூ ரெஜிம் படி போயிட்டாங்கன்னா ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டிடக்ஷன் தவிர மற்ற எந்த எக்ஸப்ஷனுமே கிடையாது. ஸோ ஹவுஸ் ரெண்ட் கிடையாது, லீவ் டிராவல் கன்செஷன் கிடையாது, டாக்ஸ் ஆன் எம்ப்ளாய்மெண்ட் கிடையாது, இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் லோன் டேக்கன் எதுவுமே கிடையாது. ஒன்லி ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டிடக்ஷன் செக்ஷன் 24 படி ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டிடக்ஷன் மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு, மற்ற எதுவுமே கிடையாது. ஸோ ஆப்ஷன் 3 இஸ் தி ஆன்சர். நியூ ரெஜிம் போயிட்டாங்க அப்படின்னாவே எந்த எக்ஸப்ஷனும் கிடையாது. If an average 2 customers arrive at the shopping mall per minute, what is the probability that given in the minute exactly 4 customers will arrive? They have given the E value also. You have to do this such a way. We have the formula for this. So I'll do the answer 0.153 into 2 power 4, the whole divided by 4 factorial. If you work out this, you will get the answer called 0.0902, which is option 2. Arrange the phases of capital expenditure. So in this, you have to arrange B, C, A, D, E. Identification of investment opportunities, evaluate the net benefits, development of forecast and benefit and cost, and evaluate the net benefits, D, authorization, and then control of capital project. 98. Arrange the following international organization according to the year of formation. According to the year of formation, General Agreement on Tariff and Trade, 1947. World Trade Organization, 1995. United Nations Conference, 1964. And this is in the year 2002. So now you can arrange A, C, B, D. Option 2. And for this match, international business approaches and its meaning, for the 99th one, it is option 1. A2, B1, C4 and D3. In which book Alfred Marshall as for the first time used the term of trade? Principles of Economics. For the 100th, it is option 2. Arrange the marketing logistic decision in the proper sequence from start to end. It is very easy. A, B, C, D. It was arranged already. So A, B, C, D. And 1 or 2, markup pricing. Option 2. Adding standard overhead, cost and profit. B, target pricing, stating with rate of return objective and then setting price that will yield the desired rate of return. C, 4, and auction pricing, firm disposing the excess. So option 3. A2, B1, C4 and B3. Which of the following income from house property is not chargeable to tax? Farmhouse rent, property held for charitable purpose, place of ex-ruler, house property of retired trade union. A, B, D, E. Option 4. An agreement which is enforceable by law at the option of one or more parties, but not at the option of other, it's called as voidable contract. This is all very direct question. 105, need hierarchy theory. As we all know, it is Maslow. D2 factor theory, it is for Hesberg. Psychoanalytic theory, it is given by Freud. ERG theory is given by Clay Alfred. So answer is option 2, A3, B1, C2, D4. Who has defined economics as the science which studies human behavior in relation between ends and scarcity? Scarcity theory, which is given by Robbins. Arrange the steps in decision making by a business firm in the last to first. So order is BDEAC. Performing sensitivity analysis, choosing the best alternative, exploring the available alternative, assessing the consequences of various alternative, exploring the available alternative, and then you are determining the objectives of it. 107, option 4. Which of the following properties of standard deviation? A, C, and D. A, C, and D. Which of the following are the quantitative credit control method, bank rate policy, open market operation, variable reserve ratio? They are talking about CRR and SLR. Option 3. So concept of product life cycle, product have limited. What are the assumptions? Product have limited life. Product sales passes through distinct stages, each passing different stages and opportunities. And last is profit rises and falls at different stage of cycle. That is true. A, B, E. What are the two numbers whose arithmetic mean is 18 and harmonic mean is 16? This you could have done with the option testing method itself. So for example, A plus B, that is arithmetic mean A plus B by 2 is equal to 18. And harmonic mean, which is 2AB by A plus B is equal to 16. If you would have solved this, you could have got the answer 24 and 12. Arrange the following financial institution according to order in which they are established. So NABARD 1982, NHB 1988, EXIM 1982, but is in the month of But this is in the month of July. Same year, but this NABARD is in the month of July. And SIDBI in the year of 1990. IIBI 1971. So here the order is ECADB, ABD. Which of the following are the merits of NPV of capital budgeting? ABD. Consider all cash flows, consider time value of money. D. Satisfy the value additive principle. Which one of the following is true about working capital finance? So here option 4. Profitability is higher in aggressive approach. Arrange the following steps of the process of hypothesis testing in the proper sequence. First, setting up the null and alternate hypothesis. Select the level of significance and select the statistics. Establish the decision rule. And then you're supposed to move to performance computation and drawing of conclusion. So A, B, C, D, E, option 1. Provident Fund under Provident Act 1925 is recognized Provident Fund. Arrange the provision under which the Companies Act 2000 in ascending order. First incorporation, next first prospectus, next incorporation, then articles of association, then formation of company, and then service of documents. Arrange in the proper sequence of the financial. Obviously, first identifying the transaction, next recording the transaction, classifying the transaction, and then summarizing and then interpreting. So BDCAE. A particular combination of product, its price, the method of promoting it, and the way the product available to the customer. So product, price, promotion, all the 4 components talk about marketing mix. Option 3. Who helped both demand and supply were equally important to determine the price of the product? This was told by Marshall. When both average revenue and marginal revenue are straight line shape, Emma cuts the distance between AR and Y axis in the middle. It will cut in the middle, which is not a key element of consumer psychology and pricing. It is price indifference band. Theory of comparative advantage, theory of competitive advantage, purchase parity theory, and theory of absolute advantage. So 123, option D is 3. This theory of comparative advantage is given by D is 3. Theory of absolute advantage is Adam Smith. Theory of comparative advantage, purchase parity theory, you could say Gustav and Castle. A2, comparative theory, Ricardo. Competitive theory is Potter. Absolute advantage, Adam Smith. So option is 2. Which of the following formation of company under section 3? Section 3, ABC. 7 or more person for public company, 2 or more person for private company, 1 person for 1 person company. ABC, 5 or more person, that is the wrong option. So ABC only is the answer. A net income approach is given by David Durant. Option 1. Management is the art of getting done through people. This was said by Mary Parker Follett. The bailment of goods as a security for payment of debt or performance of profits is called as pledge. Bailment of goods, you're not supposed to go to the option. As a payment of debt, it is pledge. A card is drawn from a pack of playing 52 cards. Probability of drawing king or red card. So we all know there are 26 red cards. In the king is 4. We have to do accordingly. If you work out all the probability king or red, you will get the answer 7/13. Which of the following approaches are charting the career paths developed by Rothwell and Cousins? As of now, option B, C, D is the tentative answer given now. Arrange the following procedure of e-filing income tax return in proper sequence. Obviously, you're supposed to register and then you log in and then verifying, then downloading utility and preparing return and e-filing the income tax return. Option 4 is the answer. Which of the following statement are correct about regional rural bank? Yes, first established in 1975. 1976 is the act. Service of RBI are not available in the state of Goa and Sikkim. That is true. It is owned by central government, state government, and sponsor bank in the proportion of either. So option C is not the right one. So B, A, B, D is the right option. 80DDB, it's a medical treatment. 80E is education. 80GG, rent. 80GGB in reduction contribution to the political party. So our answer is option 3. Bank overdraft payable on the demand should be treated as cash flow and cash equivalent according to which of the following standard? It is according to Ind AS 7 because it is talking about cash flow. Even AS3 is cash flow, but it is not talking about the bank overdraft payable there. But Ind AS 7 is talking about bank overdraft payable. 134, the option is 2. A2, B1. Law, levy and collection of tax is 2. Chapter 3. Registration, Chapter 6. Input tax credit, Chapter 5. Payment of tax, Chapter 10. Malhotra Committee, insurance, simple. The committee was set up in 1993 as chairman of Malhotra insurance industry. So 2, regression coefficient of BYX is equal to what? The answer is going to be minus 6/7, 9 into minus 3/7, square root of. If you cancel all this after taking the square root, you will get the answer plus 0.5345. Sensitivity analysis, scenario analysis, simulation, decision tree analysis. For this, the answer is option 2. Theory of addition, theory of multiplication, cardinal theory, and Bayes theorem. The formula is given. We have to choose the formula. So here the answer is option 3. A3, B4, C2, and D1. Addition plus multiplication. This is this Bayes theorem. The most popular forms of advertisement does not include information appearance. Others are very abrupt form of advertisement, television advertising, print, and online. Whereas information appearance will be provided when the demonstration is needed. So that is not a popular form. Who has given a new school thought of principles of management? This is Henry Fayol. The spelling is wrong though. And next is the reading comprehension question. And this is about corporate governance and other such. For this 141st question, according to the passage, what is the benefit? The answer is option 3. How does the corporate governance help in exposing unethical policy and mismanagement in the company? Answer is by fixing responsibilities and promoting openness. And next, what is the advantage of corporate governance mentioned in the passage? It is improving investors' confidence in the relation. Option 4. How does the passage describe corporate governance system? It's an open democratic system with some drawbacks. What is one of the primary goals of introducing corporate governance in a company is window dressing of financial statement. And next passage, this is also regarding corporate governance. 146th question. What is the consequence of company if they fail to meet? They are required to turn over the profits to the government run funds. According to the passage, what is the main point emphasis? The consequence of dodging responsibilities are immediate. No, option 1 is the answer. Sorry. Companies cannot avoid consequence of neglecting their responsibilities. Answer 1 is the option. 148. What did the Indian government implement with regard to CSR? They have to spend mandatorily 2% of the net profit on CSR. And the last question. Triple bottom approach, as we all know, people, planet, and profit. All three. It focuses on people, planet, and profit. Option 2. According to the passage, what is the significance of social responsibility in the modern digital? It provides competitive edge in the crowded marketplace. These are the answer for 150 question. Nearly 95% of the answers would be correct, exact answer. Maybe 5% is tentative answers. If once all the right answer got released, definitely the revised answer key for this Commerce June 2024 will be released. So thank you all.